Kung naghahanap ka ng place to stay in Singapore, eto na yung hotel na worth it every cents. Welcome to Pullman Hotel Orchard. Perfect for solo travelers, business trips, or kahit family and barkada getaways kasi nasa heart mismo ng Orchard Road. Walking distance sa MRT, hospital at shopping malls. Super convenient. Pagpasok mo pa lang, wow agad sa modern and classy interior. Ang babait pa ng staff, very welcoming. May swimming pool for chill days, lounge bar pang unwind sa gabi, at gym kung gusto mong mag-workout. Yung breakfast buffet, ang daming choices. Asian to Western, sulit talaga. Yung room, napaka-spacious, may bathtub, complete toiletries, bathrobe, sleepers, kettle, mini fridge, sofa, at super comfy ng bed. Industrial theme pa yung design. Simple pero aesthetic. Nabook ko nga pala ito via Klook. So if you're planning your Singapore trip, book it on Klook at gamitin ang code ko for exclusive discounts. Sulit na, premium pa. So paano? Happy traveling!